Hey there, this is the Berkey Light. It is Berkey's all plastic 2.75 gallon filter system. It comes with two charcoal filters right off the bat. This particular model can house 4, but we just use 2 as that's good for the size of our family. It comes with a plastic nozzle, and I like to have a little like Pyrex or some sort of pouring thing that I can put under there. This is the only one that comes with a stand. The only Berkey that comes with a stand. You can buy stands, but this one just comes with it. I got this Berkey off of their site for like $204, and this is the Berkey Light. The top is just a fabric, which a lot of people don't know. It's kind of got like this, it's almost like webbing or canvas. And then there's definitely webbing here on the top, and that just fits on like a hat up there. I like having a Pyrex to pour into other things. One thing about the Berkey Light is you can see inside of it, so the water level is always visible. The stainless steel ones, you have to buy like a little adapter that goes on the nozzle and comes out. But I don't really like that. It's easy to clean just like the stainless steel. This is really the only tank that gets dirty because you put less clean water in here, but by the time it gets down to here, it's like, it's like bottled water essentially. I opted to get 2 fluoride filters here. That does 1,000 gallons, and that's good because my wife is pregnant, and the carbon filters up top, they handle 3,000 gallons a piece, so 6,000 gallons amongst the 2 of them, so should last us a couple years. So if you're thinking about buying something comparable or competitive to it, like something that just fits in your fridge, that's nice, but you're going to have to replace your filters over time, and you're going to end up spending a bunch of money. So I would suggest something like this, especially with filters that last a long time. And there's options out there, but Berkey seems to be kind of up there in the higher echelon in terms of gravity filters. And we've had ours for about 2 months. I really appreciate it. All you do is you grab a sponge and just like wipe off the filter. Make sure it's always clean. Like use a new sponge, not every time, but maybe set a sponge aside for filter cleaning, and then you just wipe this down, rinse them off. And I just wipe down the top. Like I said, down here it's really clean, so you don't really need to worry about it getting too messy. The more pressure or more water you have up in here, obviously the faster it will carry down into the catchment basin. And I like having this here so I can always fill it up and put it into some sort of glass. Our particular model came with these like stainless steel glasses, which there's 4 of them. I don't know if they're still running that deal, but it's really delicious water. That's the Berkey Light.